So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a refund from a cancelled order on Fiverr. So the first thing you want to do is go to fiverr.com, log into your account, and for there you'll see Fiverr, the logo, then the search, upgrade to pro, notifications, messages, lists, orders, try Fiverr Go, and your own account. Now through here, in order to find your cancelled order you want to get the refund, you can go to orders and you can find on there a list for orders. After you're sure that your order has been cancelled, go to your profile, and through here you can go to billing and payments. So let's open that. On here you can see billing history, billing info, balances, payment methods. You can see the download report, you can see your billing history. Now on your billing history, and you can find balances, and you can see your Fiverr balance, Fiverr credits. And on here, you can see the option to create a refund request. Now on here, you will initiate that request. You will see your canceled order under there, and you can try to get a refund, and it'll be all initiated through available balances. You'll see underneath here the option for refund from canceled orders, so you'll see an amount and you can click on request refund and the process will start through there. So it's just going to be underneath this Fiverr balance part of the page. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video, you can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Fiverr or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.